Okay, so the plan has changed. The truck's got a transmission problem. And I can't get the 7 o'clock bus. So I'm gonna grab out the computer, the Windows, the small foldable tablet. Got the groceries for lunch though. Got the visual reference guide. This is going to come in handy for Android Studio. It's got some shortcut commands. Got my bologna sandwich. Okay, so get the computer power. Let's see. Fire that guy up. Had my first cup of tea, Lipton. Yeah, not only the transmission, kind of a combination, transmission, engine, and ignition system with the truck. So, let's see. Got the final 20 pages of Big Nerd Ranch's Android Studio. Put that into the computer. This is a kind of interesting computer because it's a hybrid computer and tablet, so it uses the finger and the glide pad. So let's see. Okay, starting out with working on your map, listing 32.11, saving out query results, fragment Java, locate R fragment, comma Java or dot period Java, private class, search task, extends, async, task, location, void, private bitmap, semicolon, private gallery item, my gallery item, semicolon, private location, M location, ampersand, override. Okay. So that's pretty unfamiliar to me. I don't know if that's the syntax of Kotlin or um, I don't know. So we'll see after I finish reading it off. Okay. Okay. That's running in the background. Give some power to the Android phone. Okay, it's at 40%. So the ones that I've got run out of the book right now, the very very first one. I'm working on the second one, the Geo quiz. Yeah, I like to go through every application. Some of them I've got the crime intent, criminal intent. The Flickr I didn't have success with. The Beatbox, I got that, had success with that, running it off of Google Play. Sunset, the Sunset, it's just, I know it exists, that's about it. So I guess the Sunset is The sunset is the final, and also the number, the key, which is associated, which I tried to find in here. Anyway, just, I just read the book like you'd read a novel or fiction or something. Cursory. I figured that, writing a code, generating the application, that's more of a process, of a skill. It's whereas just getting a sort of a cursory overview. So I get out the syllabus and see where we're going. So I guess the first thing, got the syllabus. There's some pretty good online tutorials. Like YouTube is for one. And PDF, like a download PDF book or resource, which might have some good examples. Okay, lab 1 I've completed. So I guess technically it's lab 2 I'll work on today. Here it is. Upload a zip of your project folder. That's how. Tasks. Create a simple Android application using new project as covered in class. So I guess that's new project, right? As maybe opposed to empty project. Choose the empty activity template. So it is empty. So it's a new project, but then you go to the empty template. Add 3 buttons and 3 text views to the layout of the main activity. Okay, so I can tell the text views is going to be a slam dunk at this point. The 3 buttons is going to be the difficult part. Okay. The text views can be any message in good taste. Okay, so 3 messages. That's real sad about the truck, I guess that's just life. Okay. Take the time to make sure your layout makes sense visually. That's graded, okay? When the user touches or clicks a button, the text view associated with that button changes to changes to whatever title you put on the corresponding button. Okay. Suggestion: look at the simple click example provided on Canvas. Simple click. Okay, so look at the simple click example. Set an on-click listener. So that's on-click listener. One word, click is capitalized, listener is capitalized. For each button on the onCreate method, parentheses. Saying the work is the same for each button except you specify a different value for the text specific to that particular button. And the app has to run. This is an individual assignment. So it's not supposed to be collaboration. And then you zip the solution. So yeah, things changed. Truck problem, change in plan.